Hello and welcome to TAIK. I am Mohammedadnant, and in this video we are going to discuss about data cleansing in Alteryx Designer. If you are new to this channel or if you haven't subscribed yet, just click on the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Now let's get started. This is the Alteryx Designer, and in this I have added one text input here. In this is the data: customer ID, null column, first name, last name, term, joining date, region, score, and first purchase. And there are some blank values over there, one blank column is there and one blank row is there. I have made a video about the text input features in Alteryx Designer. If you haven't seen that, just click on the link given on top of your screen. Now coming back to this one, so the data cleansing. It is available in the preparation tab. It is data cleansing. So drag and drop this one, it will make a join. If not, you can drag and drop this feature here. And on the configuration pane we got these options, so we'll walk through one by one now. The first option they have given here is remove null data, remove null rows or null columns. If you look at here in the output window, that is the result window, you have this null column and null rows is there. Click on null rows and then run. If I click here, the end result, the seventh row has been removed from here because of null rows. So click here for the null columns and then run again. The null column has been removed from here. So if you click here for the output here, it has the one null row and one null column, and the final output here is without that. So it is working inside this Alteryx Designer, so there is no impact on the original data. And here the next are the options here available, so you can use it for the whole table or specific columns as well. So first of all we'll try with the whole table. That is the replace null. If it is null value available inside that cell, inside a column, inside that column you can replace with blank if it is a string. If it is a numeric, you can replace it with 0. Here we have this last name as null, and even the score is also null here. If I click these two options and then execute run, the final output here still it is null. Actually we need to select the columns here, so I'm selecting it all now and then run. Now it replaced the last name null to blank and numeric null to 0 here. That is what it does here. And we have few more options here as well. Remove unwanted characters, so leading and trailing white spaces. If it is a leading white spaces in between the columns here, you can remove it here, and it is applicable to all the columns whichever you have selected here, these columns. So remove the tab line breaks or duplicate white space as well. For double white space also you can remove that. All white spaces also is there. And here if you click on letters here and then click run, whatever the characters available inside to each and every column you can remove here. For an example, actually for this specific case, we can use the term here. We can keep only terms, the number of terms. It's everything is in months, right? So we don't need a month here. In that case, we want to remove that, click none here, and then in the terms column you can select here and letters, remove letters, click run. It will have impact only on this term column, not on any other columns as well. And like the same way, if you want to remove numbers here, you can also remove the numbers as well. It will remove all the numbers from this table or selected columns as well. And here also you have the punctuation as well. If you click on select all with the punctuation marks, whatever the punctuation available you can remove it here. And here we have this white space as well, here and here. If you click run, sorry, actually I need to untick this one and click run now. You have to remove this white spaces as well. Here we had one dash here, so it has now removed from here. And also you have the option to modify case from lower to upper or upper to lower, our title case. So let's try with this upper case. It will change all the values to uppercase here. And if it is for title case, lower case means everything in the lower letter. Title case is, we'll just take the first name as a title, I mean the capital. What else if we need this kind of way, that I need the options available for all the columns, that is good here, that it has removed the spaces, and it has replaced the null to blank for the text and to 0 in the number field, and I just want to remove this part. In that case, you can add one more data cleansing here. From here, you can select only that specific column, that is term, and then remove letters and click run. So at the end result is we got all this value option removed from here, and we got this term in terms of months here. And actually from here I don't need the punctuation to be removed, so I'm going to remove this option and click run. At the end of clicking here, I got this value as well. So these are the data cleansing part available in Alteryx Designer. If you like this video, just click on the big thumbs up button. If you're new to this channel or if you haven't subscribed yet, just click on the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to get the latest notifications. But make sure you turn on the notification on your devices. Share it with your friends and colleagues. If you have any queries and feedback, just post it on the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Keep learning. See you in the next video.